It is easy to ascertain how vital water is for human survival. We use potable water for drinking, cleaning, washing, cooking, and recreational purposes. Though water is present in abundance in nature, human activities have rendered most of the natural resources of water unusable due to water pollution, with no options left in most cases but to drink treated and bottled water. There is also an increased awareness about health problems associated with drinking untreated water, which has further increased the trust in safe packaged drinking water. Therefore, the demand for water bottling plants today is immense. In this video, we will be discussing a popular business, that is the water bottling plant, and the process to set up this business. Hello and welcome to Enterclimate. My name is Shaleen, and let's start the video with an overview of the water bottling plant industry. Businesses that engaged in bottling drinking water like RO water, mineral water, etc. have been thriving business for quite some time. Natural sources of drinking water such as underground water reserves, which were used earlier and was fit for drinking, are not entirely fit for consumption today due to the contamination of these reserves with heavy metals, harmful chemicals, microplastics, etc. Today, this necessity has been transformed into a vast water bottling and packaging industry. Water bottling plant provides high profit margins with substantially low investment. The demand for clean water has been increasing with the increasing urban population. The demand for packaged water is so huge today that packaged water bottles can be found at almost every other shop. So if you are wondering how you can start this business, let's try to understand the stages involved in setting up this unit. So to understand the stages of the business setup and the cost involved, it is necessary to understand the activities involved in bottling plants. The treatment and packaging systems involved in water bottling plants will need the following: a raw water pump, dual media filter, carbon filter, anti-scalant dosing system, micron cartridge filter, pre-treatment, high pressure pump, reverse osmosis pump, UV system, and ozone system. Let's now understand the stages in water bottling plant setup. Stage 1 includes creating a business plan for water bottling plant. This stage will need the entrepreneur to decide aspects like location. Location is a crucial factor that can determine profitability of the bottling business. The proximity to a good water source and connectivity through road is essential. Second is machinery. So the entrepreneur will need to install the state-of-art machinery as mentioned earlier. Next is space and power requirement. As there are 4 sections in a bottling plant, those are water treatment area, bottling area, quality control lab, and overall utility. The bottling plant will need a decent amount of space to set up. Generally, a standard 2000 liter per hour bottling plant will need around 5000 square feet build-up space with around 3000 square feet of covered area. The power required will be around 65 HP. The next stage is determining the expense of running a water bottling plant. Ongoing expenses include electricity and other consumable expenses for running a bottling plant. Water purification is energy intensive due to the power involved in reverse osmosis and other treatments like UV radiation, ozone treatment, etc. The cost of the filter and maintenance on the plant, labor cost are few of those factors that must be considered when planning for the business. Utility cost can also increase due to any other ultra high purification and value addition to the product. Treatment of RO discharge water may also add to the cost. The next stage is sourcing the supply of water for the bottling plant. When treated with reverse osmosis, wastewater is generated. It takes approximately 1.39 liters of water to produce a liter of bottled water. The plant can use sources like natural springs, ponds, and hill water runoffs, etc. as the source of water. The next stage is sourcing raw materials for water bottling plant. Raw water and raw plastic are used in the packaging industry. While PET plastic is the most commonly used plastic, some bottled water companies also use polycarbonate plastic for their bottles. These are large capacity bottles that can be washed and refilled again and again. Some premium brands are using glass bottles for bottling drinking water. In the final stage, the entrepreneur must obtain the necessary licenses and permits for the business. These licenses include business registration, ISI certification for the product, factory license, facile license, EPR authorization, and the consent NOC from the concerned State Pollution Control Board or the Pollution Control Committee. Let's understand the process to obtain the consent NOC in a bit more detail. The entrepreneur needs to approach the State Pollution Control Board. The NOC will be issued under the green category as bottling water does not generate any significant waste apart from RO water discard. Document required for the consent NOC are duly filled application form, detailed project report, details of manufacturing process, details of installed water waste management measures and pollution control measures, list of machinery and the capital cost of the unit, water balance, source of water and its required quantity by the unit, land documents such as rent or lease agreement, industry registration proof, consent fee, balance sheet, water test reports from an authorized laboratory of raw water, test reports from SPCB certified labs for chemists and microbiologists, electrical load and sanction load, and finally sanction layout plan. With this we conclude our video, but before we end this video, allow me to explain how you can set up the business of your choice with the assistance of Enterclimate in a swift and hassle-free manner. You can consult our experts with the details given below, who will guide you with the overall legalities associated with the business and other necessary details. We will provide you with the comprehensive legal assistance required in setting up the water bottling plant business. This will prove to be a crucial factor for the growth of the business. Enterclimate has a pan-India network of experts who have more than 10 years of experience in the concerned domains. So I hope you found this information useful. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website for other related blogs and explore more such startup ideas. Thank you.